Hey, what's up guys? So today my wife and I are heading out to the beach. We're also going to be going to Universal City Walk, which means that I'm going to be eating a lot of food today towards the end of the night. So I wanted to make this video to kind of show you guys how I strategize my day when I know I'm going to have some big meals in the night, how I go about fasting throughout the day, how I go about strategizing. Like I said, I'm not a professional by any means when it comes to a diet. I'm a very simple person, and I'm definitely a novice when it comes to it. There's a lot of pros out there on YouTube that know a lot more than me. I'm very simple, and that's what I like, is that I'm very simple. Life is too complicated already, so you gotta keep it simple. You gotta just keep it to the basics. So I started my day off with some cottage cheese, and then I'm gonna drink a little bit of this throughout the day. I'm gonna put it in a cup, take it with me. It's Starbucks iced coffee. It's very cold, very bold, very robust. And so I'm very, very happy to have this with me. This is the big tool for the day. It's gonna help me fast as long as possible. So we made it. We're here at Santa Monica Boulevard. Still fasting, still holding strong. Here with my beautiful wife. And we're looking to have a good day. It's a very beautiful day, about 60 degrees. And it's nice. We're gonna have a nice time out here. I'm gonna try to do my best to stick to my diet. I might try some snacks or something, but we'll see what happens. Now remember, if you're gonna eat something, you gotta choose the best choices possible to minimize the damage to your caloric intake and to hit your macros. And if you're cutting, I'd cut the carbs down quite a bit. So try to get something that has high protein, low carbs. It's a very beautiful day today. Alright guys, so we just got done going to the pier. It was a good time. My wife and I had some nachos, which are really good. It's hard to say no to nachos. I know I'm not gonna hit all of my protein intake today by just coming out here. We're gonna have dinner at Universal City Walk. And so what we did is we went to the gas station, filled up on some gas, but I got 2 of these bars here, these lean muscle bars. Never had them before. So I know that they have like 3 net carbs and like 32 grams of protein each. So this is gonna help me reach my protein quota for the day. And then my wife, let me show them.
I got this. I'm excited to try it because these cookies are really good. I'm not as big on like health fitness stuff as my husband is in eating, but I like these cookies, and there's a lemon one because I like lemon. There's a lemon poppy seed one. Lenny and Larry's complete cookie.
here at Bubba Gump's shrimp. Unfortunately, we can't eat any of the shrimp, but I found this Maker's Mark glazed salmon. Looks really good. Gonna finish the night hitting these protein, grams of protein that I have left, and looks good. So what do you think, Jennifer?
I'm excited, and it's so romantic, all the lights and everything, and the water is nice.
We're right here at the Universal City Walk. We're having dinner here as people walk by, but it's pretty relaxing. We got a heater here. As usual, never drink your calories. Her and I are both drinking water. Never drink your calories, that way you don't waste them. Alright, I got the glazed salmon with some white rice, some spinach. My wife over here got a veggie burger. It's looking good, veggie burger, and she got some garlic bread for herself. Alright, so we just got back from Universal. It's the end of the night. So the main things that I want you guys to take from this video is the importance of macronutrients. You gotta hit your macronutrients, especially if you're a man like me that wants to maintain muscle mass while staying at a caloric deficit. So you want your macronutrients, you want to stay at a caloric deficit, a slight caloric deficit. You want to hit your micronutrients, and the lesson of the day is, if you go out with family, if you're in social situations that are challenging when it comes to food, try to choose the least damaging option when it comes to food. Try to control yourself. If you have to have something unhealthy, do it in small increments, and just watch your calories, guys. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys conquer your own calories. All right, have a good night.